Here we will write a Python program to find volume of cube. So in comment line first we will write. Here we will write program using function. The formula for calculating volume of cube is side cube. That is volume of cube equal to side into side into side. So first we will define function find volume with one parameter. Then we will calculate volume as side into side into side, and we will print this with print statement as print volume of cube as volume. Then outside the function we will accept side of cube. So side equal to int input enter side of cube, and we will call the function find volume, and we will pass side as a parameter, and we execute this. I will enter side of cube as 5. It will print volume of cube as 125.